Are you ready to make your New Year celebration truly unforgettable? Imagine a table so beautifully decorated that it becomes the center of all your memories this New Year's Eve. Wondering where to start or how to make it magical? Stay tuned because I'm about to answer all your questions about New Year table decorations. Let's dive in and create something spectacular together. How can I choose the right theme for my New Year table? Picking a theme simplifies decisions and makes your table feel cohesive. Here's how to choose one that works for you. 1. Match your party's mood. A glam black and gold theme works for formal events, while pastel tones feel more casual. 2. Seasonal touch. Incorporate wintry elements like snowflakes, pine cones, or frosted glass for a seasonal vibe. 3. Personal preferences. Let your personality shine. Choose themes like retro, celestial, or even a movie-inspired setup. Drop a comment below and tell us your favorite New Year's table themes so far. How can I add a touch of sustainability to my New Year table? Sustainability doesn't mean compromising on beauty. These ideas make your table eco-friendly and chic. 1. Reusable items. Opt for cloth napkins, glassware, and reusable chargers instead of disposables. 2. Natural decor. Use dried flowers, wooden coasters, or pine cones as part of your table decor. 3. DIY touches. Repurpose old jars, tins, or paper for creative and sustainable decorations. Explore the description for links to eco-friendly products seen in this video. How can I decorate on a budget without compromising on style? Decorating on a budget can be fun and highly rewarding. Here are some affordable ways to achieve a stunning table. 1. DIY projects. Craft your own centerpieces and table runners using items like fabric scraps or paper. 2. Shop smart. Visit thrift stores or shop post-holiday sales for discounted decor items. 3. Layer affordable decor. Use inexpensive items like candles, confetti, or simple floral arrangements to create depth. Hit the like and share button if these budget-friendly tips have inspired you. How do I incorporate table settings and seating arrangements? Proper table settings and seating make the dining experience smooth and enjoyable for your guests. Here's how to plan it out. 1. Tableware layers. Arrange your plates, utensils, and glasses in layers for a polished appearance. 2. Name cards. Use decorative name cards to personalize each guest's seat and make them feel special. 3. Comfort first. Ensure chairs are spaced comfortably and there's enough room for serving dishes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more New Year and holiday decorating tips. What are some creative centerpiece ideas for New Year? Your centerpiece is the star of the table, and it doesn't have to be complicated to look stunning. Here are some ideas. 1. DIY glitter jars. Fill jars with LED lights and glitter for a magical glow. 2. Floral mix. Combine white flowers with gold accents for an elegant look. 3. Food centerpiece. Use edible elements like a tiered tray of desserts or fruits to double as decor. Check out the description for a curated playlist of more creative decoration ideas. What are the key elements of a perfect New Year table decoration? A perfect New Year table combines style, function, and festivity. By focusing on a few key elements, you can create a setting that feels welcoming and celebratory. 1. Centerpiece. A show-stopping centerpiece like candles, floral arrangements, or a festive display sets the tone. 2. Tableware. Elegant plates, napkins, and glasses can add sophistication to the table. Choose metallic or neutral tones for versatility. 3. Lighting. Add warmth with fairy lights, tea candles, or LED light garlands to create a cozy and magical vibe. Don't forget to hit that like button if these ideas are lighting up your imagination. What small details can make a big difference? Details matter. Elevate your table by focusing on the little things that guests will notice and appreciate. 1. Mini party favors. Place tiny wrapped gifts or personalized trinkets at each setting. 2. Custom napkin folding. Create shapes like fans or flowers for a refined touch. 3. Menu cards. Add printed or handwritten menu cards to give your table a luxurious finish. Want to see more creative tips like these? Check out the description for similar videos. In this video, we've explored how to create a stunning New Year table from start to finish. Whether you're going for glam, cozy, or sustainable, there's a perfect setup waiting for you to bring it to life. Remember, the magic isn't just in the decorations, it's in the memories you create around the table. So let's make this New Year unforgettable. Wishing you a happy New Year filled with joy and sparkle. See you in the next video.